Unlock the secrets to earning passive income through e-commerce. Imagine waking up to money flowing into your account while you sleep. That's the power of passive income in e-commerce. Your first step is to identify a profitable niche market. Research to find products with high demand and low competition. Next, source your products. Use platforms like Alibaba or work with local artisans. Remember, quality products lead to repeat customers. Now, create an engaging, easy-to-navigate online store. Use enticing product descriptions, high-quality images, and clear call-to-action buttons. Invest in marketing strategies like SEO and social media advertising. This will drive traffic to your store and increase conversions. Finally, automate the process. Use dropshipping services, hire a virtual assistant, or use AI to handle customer inquiries. Enjoy your passive income stream.